If you're anything like me, then the last thing you want when you're dealing with cramps is to be stuck sitting in one spot with a heating pad. And that's why I was so excited to find this. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this portable cordless heating pad from Sinjue has quickly become one of those products that I wish I had discovered sooner. Because it's completely cordless, I'm not stuck sitting on the couch or staying close to an outlet, which makes it so much more convenient than a traditional heating pad. With 6 heat levels and 6 vibration modes, it's easy to find the setting that's really comfortable for me. Another feature I wasn't expecting but actually really appreciated is the voice guidance.
149 degrees.
It lets me know when I'm changing settings, which is really nice because I don't have to keep looking down to see which setting it's at. I also noticed that it heats up really quickly, and when I'm uncomfortable, I don't want to wait around for relief, so that's definitely something I noticed and enjoyed. It also has an automatic shutoff after 30 minutes, which is great if I'm relaxing, resting, or even accidentally falling asleep while I'm using it. It's one of those products that made a difficult day feel a lot more manageable for me. And that's just my point of view.